Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm the lead mechanic at Evo. Today we're going to talk about rear derailleur adjustment. For a derailleur adjustment, tools needed are pretty simple. Screwdriver, 5mm Allen wrench. First step in derailleur adjustment is going to be setting the high limit screw. The high limit screw limits how far the derailleur will want to shift the chain off of the smallest cog. To adjust this, back the limit screw out a few turns so the chain rests on the smallest cog. From here, you notice that the chain is wanting to shift off of the smallest cog. What we can do is thread in the high limit screw until the noise goes away. Next up, we're going to adjust the low limit screw. Same concept as the high limit screw, it adjusts how far off the chain will want to shift off the biggest cog. For this adjustment, shift up into the biggest cog on your cassette. If your low limit screw is too far in and you try to adjust into your biggest cog, you will be limited and it will not want to shift into your biggest cog. To fix this, simply back off your low limit screw until it allows you to shift into your biggest cog. If you adjust your limit screw too far out, you run the risk of overshifting and potentially dropping your chain into your spokes. For optimum shifting quality, we want the top derailleur pulley to be as close to the cassette cogs as possible. Too close, and it might cause rubbing or noise. Too far away, and it will cause sloppiness in the shifting itself. To adjust, simply thread in or thread out your B-tension screw. Next step in the process of adjusting our derailleur, we're going to be checking for cable tension. First off, we'll just want to run through the gears, see how our tension is at the moment. More often than not, you're going to be too low on cable tension. What that means is your derailleur is hesitating on the shift up to a bigger cog. To improve that shifting quality, we will simply unthread the barrel adjuster. Start by only doing a few clicks. Every click makes a huge difference. Run through the gears again, see where we're at. If you've unthreaded the barrel adjuster too far out, you might run into a situation where it shifts up to a bigger cog too fast, yet hesitates to shift down into a smaller cog. What we can do for that is simply thread in your barrel adjuster. Once you have proper cable tension and your limit screws are adjusted correctly, you should be able to achieve nice, crisp, precise shifting. If you have any questions regarding adjustment of your shifting or shifting quality, visit us at evo.com or at any of our locations.